Hello, my name is William Andres Cabrera Castro. I'm in the group of 117. In the next video, I'm going to talk about the metaphor of my partner Diego, which is the following. A good conscience is a continual Christmas. In this case, this metaphor has the following meaning is that if you have your conscience clean, you can reach a lot of benefits like joy and happiness and blessings. As if you are Christmas, it's something nearly to cause and effect. Everything that you do with your values and love will come back to you with feelings of peace, love, and joy, and enough blessing of your life. So in this case, I think that is a good metaphor because, for example, when you do a lot of things in a good way, you will receive the double benefits. For example, if you help other people because you like to do that, or because you want to do that, you always will receive the benefits like more money, more love, more health, and happiness too. In my case, about the Diego story is a good story because they told us that he has a dream. He has to study a career in a good university, but for example, in his case, he spent a lot of time with his friends, like going out with his friends, like drink beers, go to parties, play like any sport, and he always tried to do the best in his studies in his university, but he always tried to do the best with his friends in order to enjoy more time. And in that time, he doesn't matter about he doesn't matter, or he didn't care about his studies too much, and for that reason he lose the opportunity to get a diploma or a certification that maybe at this moment he can enjoy in these benefits because he wanted to study anthropologist. I think I don't remember very well, but he has a dream. He had a dream, but he didn't spend more time to the university and studies, but he always keep in mind that he needs to go with his friends. And it's a really good story also because we learn about more his experience in his life, and we try to not do that those action in this time. So this is all for me. Thank you so much.